Cool. What's up, Tooch? Tooch, I can't lose any more parlays, man. I can't lose any more parlays. What's up, Om? How many people joined the giveaway? 97. Cool. Oh, I forgot to change my TikTok. Guys, I'm gonna restart the TikTok stream. Give me 1 sec. What's up, Damon? How are you, brother? Say something about giveaway? Yeah, there's a giveaway in the Discord. We're doing a lot of giveaways, so I would really just join the Alpha Futures Discord. I'm gonna put you guys on, bro. Like, I'm gonna put you guys on, bro. Cause Gatie doesn't fuck around. Alright? Gatie doesn't fuck around. Just get the link for the live. So yeah, man, let's get it. Everyone should be joining the giveaway. We're gonna be doing a lot of giveaways with this firm. And let me show you guys, bro. Let me show you guys what the firm. If you guys like Top Step X, bro, you guys will love this firm. It's literally Top Step, but better rules. Like, that's literally what the firm is. Nice shorts in PM session yesterday. Yeah. What's up, Rita? What's up, Zicky? I'm good, Damon. I'm good. Can't complain. How much is the 100K? With the code? No idea, but I think it's the same price as Top Step. First of all, look at this beautiful ass fucking platform, bro. Alright, I was messing around yesterday, so I just want to see if it was working, and they told me to test. But, bro, they literally have the Project X platform. It's literally the same thing as Top Step X. You know how nice that is? You can copy trade. You can set your risk parameters. You can lock yourself out after you win a certain amount or lose a certain amount. This stuff. There's this Trader Hub. You see all the news and shit. Fucking fire, bro. No, Alpha Futures just came, bro. This is Alpha Futures. It's the brand new firm. So I caught my account, and I'm gonna tell you guys this straight up. I never BS you guys. I've gotten so many. Yeah, Josh Hart was crazy, bro. This firm is the easiest firm to get payout with. They do have 50K accounts. They have 50. I think it's the same size as Top Step. 50, 100, 150K. Do they have the in? Well, what you can do, Miguel, is you can just get a TradeAbate account. If you want to trade on TradingView, you don't have to get that. So you don't have to get this. I just like this one because the trade copier. But if you don't want this one, you can just get the TradeAbate account and sync it. Discount should be up. I don't know how much it is right now, but they're always gonna give me the best discount. So if you guys ever use my code, you don't have to worry. It'll be the best discount. Um, what was I gonna say? It's Alpha Futures. Um, code's Gatie. Code's Gatie. But bro, let me tell you guys something. Like brother to brother, like straight up, long term is that's every single firm, bro. Every firm you have to pay monthly until you pass. Let me tell you, how did I open this shit again? Why did I click this? Oh shoot, I almost closed the live. Hold on, I clicked the button. Alright, we're good. Let me tell you guys something, bro. Advanced or standard? I mean, depends how, I don't say how good you are, but personally, I would get the standard. I'm a standard kind of guy, but you know, if you're up like that and you trying to take it one step further, their PA one-time fee. Oh yeah, yeah, it's one-time fee. Take profit trader. It's not bad, but I don't like their rules personally. But they seem trustworthy, so if you like their rules, remove the ads from YouTube. No, they have been there since like 2024. Maybe I don't know. 125K with them. Nice, bro. Only make that's fire, bro. What? Yeah, whatever. Whatever. Can't wait to try some My Fun Future starters. I'm telling you, bro. Listen, brother to brother. I don't even care if you used my code. I actually don't care. I'm telling you that these rules are the best for you to get a payout. It's the easiest rules. You have to do the least. There's no live trailing drawdown. You can take a small payout as soon as you win. What did the guy say? I think it was like 2 trades or something, 3 trades. You can literally take 2 or 3 trades on a funded and then take payout. And it's not going to affect your drawdown. It's like a Forex firm. You don't have to build a buffer. Like, I don't think people understand how good that is. I don't know how many of you have been on a funded account and actually gotten like some wins, but you have to keep going because you have to get a buffer. We're talking about alpha futures. Anyway, if you guys are not in the Discord, we are doing a free giveaway. All you have to do is these 3 steps. It's literally the easy steps. I hate futures firms because the buffer too, bro. That's why I really like these guys. I really like these guys, bro. Because me personally, bro, as soon as I get like 3 winning trades, I'm requesting payout. I don't give no fuck about no buffer, bro. Like, I'm not gonna request the whole, like, you know? Obviously, you request like whatever, like 500, whatever. No, I'll be trading today. I just wanted to tell you guys straight up that we'll be using that yet to. Exactly, bro. Exactly. And also, how close are you passing your house at eval? Bro, I'm not gonna lie, halfway, but I just paid the rebill. I think we're gonna pay the rebill. I mean, we'll see how today goes, but I see how you got him pay. I've gotten 3 in my life, but it's been a while, the last couple of months. The last thing I will say is, bro, they literally give you more drawdown. So if you trade with a 100K or 150K account, you just have more drawdown than the other firms. They give you 4%. Like, there's no trailing drawdown, and you get more drawdown. That's pretty freaking insane. And it's easier to get payout. So, I don't know. I'm trying to put you guys on. Personally, I already made the switch because, like, is it static? Yes, like, static. No, not stat. Like, it's end of day. It goes by end of day. Yeah, 50K is the same. 50K is the same, Miguel, because that's 4%. But on the other 100K, 150Ks, it's an extra 1%. So if you risk on a funded 0.5, you have an extra 2 trades. If you risk 0.25, you have an extra 4 trades. That's pretty significant because on TopSet, for example, it's only 3% drawdown on 100K. So that's pretty shit, you know? But proper. I'm talking about alpha futures. Alpha futures. Um, Anyway, we're doing a giveaway for Alpha Futures. Oh, I should have announced the code. Shoot. I'm in a discount. Let's go today, bro. Um, They have forex and futures. And yeah, they have activation fee. Yeah. It's pretty much like, if I'm being honest, it's pretty much Top Step. It's just easier to get payouts, and I guess if you have a code, it might be a little bit cheaper, depending on what the discount code is. I would do standard, but it's up to you, bro. Like, I do the standard. I have a standard. So I really don't care if you use the code. Like, I pretty much make nothing out of it. I just told them. So when I had the meeting with them, I mean, I do get a commission. It's like it's 10%, but that's pretty much gonna equivalent to like nothing. Because I told them I don't really care about more commission. I just want to do more giveaways, and they said that we can do hella giveaways. So if you guys show love to the posts, if you guys keep showing love to these posts that I make, and you guys join, and you know, maybe set like, if they show that I'm doing that, um, they're gonna give me hella giveaways. Like, maybe even like, I don't want to say once a week, but like, it depends how good we do. Definitely at least once a month, but maybe even multiple times a month and multiple accounts. So you might as well just, show love. All you have to do is enter the giveaway, and just follow the steps. Like, it's 3 steps, and that's it. You're banned. Make a new account, bro. No cap. Bias. We're gonna cover bias right now. I know we're a little bit late because we had to announce all this stuff. Sorry about that, guys. But that's all taken care of. So if you want to join the giveaway, just join the Discord. All the steps are there. I don't. No, I don't think they allow heading. I don't think any firm allows heading. That would be too broken. So if you guys want to join the giveaway, it's in the Discord. It's literally 3 steps. Just Instagram, Discord, and then put a like on this post. You have to pay monthly for Apex. You don't have to pay monthly, and you also don't have to pay monthly with this firm. Anyways, guys, we're gonna minimize the chat. If you have any questions, you can ask me later, or just make sure you join the giveaway. I'm trying to get, people to join the giveaway straight up. It looks like we're reaching the previous day high. So it looks like we are. It's Thursday. It looks like we're turning back into the weekly range. In terms of Thursday news, we do have 8:30 news, so it could be a decent day. We do have these equal lows still, but it is SMT. So for now, I mean, the only thing that tells me this could go higher is pretty much this expansion that happened in London. So just because order flow is bullish and we still do have that previous day high, which is the imbalance, we're gonna be bullish, and we'll see if we want to break down from there. So we'll mark out previous day high and previous day high. We'll mark it out with, let's do this color. I actually like that color. It's nice. And we'll go from there. If we're gonna find an entry on a trade that's high probability, we'd have to see some sort of retracement or some sort of classic model today. I really like those equal highs, man. I really like those highs. So if you have any questions, yeah, just ask me in the Discord. Let me open up. So let's go. I'm not gonna lie, when they told me they had their own platform to trade on, I was like, it's gonna be some bum ass shit. And then when I opened it and I saw this, I was like, yo, it's Top Step. I didn't realize this. A lot of firms actually run this. I didn't know that was a thing, but I actually think that's funny because I don't know. I like this. I like this platform. I do like this platform. Sorry, I'm just setting up the accounts, guys. So give me a sec. So just remember, I'm going to be executing on my left monitor. Yeah, that's all I have to say. So I'll take the trade on TradingView so you guys can see what it looks like. But just know for my actual accounts, it'll be on the left monitor. Also, guys, if you don't know, chat is minimized. I'm not reading chat. I don't like to read chat while I'm live. I don't want to make bad calls. I don't want to take bad trades. I want to focus up. I don't want to be influenced by you guys. So we're focused up here. So if you have any questions, please just ask me later. Yeah, there's nothing really here. I mean, we do have midnight opening. We could take out London lows and then reverse. That's probably the best setup, I would say. London lows and then reverse. Or if we just get a classic model, say we manipulate into this fair value gap, for example. But I guess London lows and reverse would probably be the highest probability. So 16.14, and I think we're trading around there. So I'll be marking out the opening range gap per usual. Yeah, know the drill. I always make this. I should just do this every time. I do this every morning, man. I should just do it beforehand. Save time. All right, there's your opening range gap. So we have a premium opening or a discount opening, I guess. So yeah, I mean, there's that low that we talked about. So this was like the first. This is the first level that if we do expand, we could look for a long. Like if we get a breaker right here, for example, maybe with a fair value gap, that could be a long candidate for me. Just like that, simple classic model. We already have the engineered highs, so that could be a setup in itself. But like I said, the highest probability trade would probably be, let's say, the 15-minute rejection block and or London lows. No fair value gap there. Yeah, I don't want to see this expand right now. We could also see something like this. That's also pretty high probability as well. Nice, we didn't go. I don't want to see this go up yet because I would probably take it, but I don't want to. I'd rather see a higher probability setup. So if you're just tuning in, we're doing a giveaway for a futures account. If you're in the Discord, it's free. It's literally a 20-second, just 20 seconds of steps. Make sure you actually do these steps because when I roll and when I go check, I have access to check, and you're not in, I cannot give you the account. So don't be lazy. Just follow the Instagram, join the Discord. We're gonna be doing giveaways a lot. We're gonna be giving futures giveaways often. All right. We're gonna be doing them often, so you might as well just save yourself the time now. Follow the Instagram and join the Discord. So then you're ready for the next giveaway. All you have to do is like the post. Okay, so already we're going back and forth. The first 3 candles were range bound. So I'm starting to think that this opening range might be a little bit weak. There's the breaker. There's the breaker. 2-minute looks a lot nicer. CSD on the what? 3-minute. It doesn't break rules. Let's see if we close above. I didn't take the trade, by the way. You'll see if I take the trade. You know, I don't only get the closure. It looks pretty uneventful. I'm just gonna let it go. Even if it comes one more time and closes above, I'm still not gonna take it now because it just looks unorganized. We can wait for a macro or 945 candle. If this just goes, this is what it is. I'm not gonna trust it. It's too slow. too sloppy, too unorganized. We might just take this high and then break back down. So I will not take the breaker if it forms. So right now, what do I want to see? I want to see us take out this low. I want to see a reversal. So I want to see maybe we take out this high, come back, take the low, and then we get a breaker. Something like this would be the highest probability way for me to take a long. Nothing's telling me to look for shorts right now, so I'm still going to be bullish. The giveaway winners will not be now. Sorry, just open chat for a split second. I need to text my editor. The giveaway winners will not be announced today. They're gonna be announced like for the new month. So I'm thinking we do Saturday. Did I say Saturday? Saturday. So then everyone has the accounts going into the new week. So we took out that high again. I'm not gonna long this. It could. It definitely could be the move that sends us to previous day high. If it is, simply gonna miss it because I just don't like this. 5 minutes of sideways. I want to see the lows get taken once again. I like this 10-minute gap. I guess that's pretty much this fair value gap. I mean, you could make the argument to take this trade. I'm not going to, but this is a bullish order block, and we did sweep the low. It meets the criteria, but I'm not going to push the button on this trade. This is your first presentation for value gap. See, that's something that would be more interesting for me. Assuming this fair value gap forms. Now this fair value gap, I could actually maybe take this. Do something like this. A week. If we did take this, it'd be 32 points. So hypothetically, if we were to risk 10, it would be around a 6 or 7 micro trade. Let's call it 6 in case we get slipped bad. So I'm not going to execute on this fair value gap instantly, but let's say we come back and touch it. I might look to click buy. I'm watching this fair value gap. I want to see if we touch it. It's first presentation. Okay, there's the touch, and there we touch the OB. If this closes bullish, I'll take it. Like if it wicks all the way above, but like I said, the best setup is if we take sell side again. That's what I want to see, ideally. So I'm going to watch this candle, and it looks like it is coming straight to sell side. If anything, you could probably short this, and I actually wouldn't mind that. And we'd have to break even at like this low, but we can actually maybe catch decent risk reward here. I will probably short this. Classic model, short-term draw, 23 points. Say we can execute 7. And we just barely didn't get the CISD. I'm going to short that right there. We closed on the same level, but we got the inversion of first presentation, so it still meets the criteria. Hold on, what did I just click? All right, cool. So I'm looking for sell side. Sell side, buy side, dump, and then maybe we can reverse going into the macro. That's what I'm looking for right now. My stops are above this if we reinverse this fair value gap. So it's not that I'm trading without a stop loss. It's not that I'm trading without a stop loss. My stop loss is a reinverse. I'm looking at this low as a low-hanging fruit objective, and I'm looking at these lows at sell side. I definitely want to see some speed now that we formed the OB. We touched it. Inverse first presentation. There's that low. I didn't take a partial there. Whoops. That could be it, but I like how heavy this was, so I do think it can go lower. Nice push. ES, well, ES not even close, man. It's the SMT right here. We're gonna stick with this. This might be a good time to break even the trade. So I am gonna go break even on the account. I am break even now, guys. I am break even. So just know I am break even on this trade. It's risk free. I'll probably partial something at this level right here. Oh my, man, this shit ripping, bro. Damn. I did take a partial. There's the first partial. We do have a runner now. See how quickly I flip bias? It's really hard to flip bias quickly like that when I'm trading with the chat open, because I know probably a lot of you guys were questioning. It's a classic model setup. It's a double purge. I'm expecting a run lower, right? Just because my daily bias is not bullish doesn't mean I can't short, right? To me, this is a pretty, I'm not going to say obvious run lower, but fairly obvious. And we will take another partial at this low, sell side. All right, there's the other partial. So we're break even. We closed already 2R on the trade. Actually, a little bit more than 2R. And we'll leave the rest for London lows in case we do want to get there, or full gap closure. Let's show the executions here. You guys can see how I'm doing this. Really good trade, straight up. You had to be quick on that. You really had, I'll say, around a minute, maybe a little bit less, to enter that trade. I want to see if we can stay heavy towards London lows. It's right here. And also this 15-minute gap below London lows. It's right there. I like the gap a little bit more. I'll probably full close on the gap. The reason I like the gap is because it's a full gap closure of opening range. As soon as it touches that gap, I'm going to take my last partial. Oh, we'll take one more. And we'll leave a runner just in case we have the wrong draw. I'm going to go all the way to Asia. So I'm going to take a partial as soon as we touch. There you go. So that's a partial for me. That's 500 ticks. I did close the position on Top Step X. So I'm fully out on Top Step. But we do have a runner here. I miscalculated on Top Step. I couldn't get the 6 fill. The fill on the 6, so we only got filled on 5. So I am out there. Where would I leave my last runner to? Probably midnight open, or maybe a little bit lower than this fair value gap. But I think we did really good there. Yeah, we managed pretty well. I don't think I would go back. Maybe in hindsight, this partial was a little weak. We could have just let it. You almost knew. But I'm not taking any chances. You never know. Diddy's been participating in the markets recently, so sometimes crazy shit just happens. Like I said, last runner will probably be midnight open, or at least maybe this imbalance. You could leave it for Asia low. I'm gonna hold it for now because it's staying really heavy. I haven't even seen it tick up, so we'll leave this last runner. Leave this last runner for now. Yo, I love you, JP, if you're watching, bro. Yo, JP, we should start something together, bro. Like, I swear, we should start something together. I don't know what, but we should start something. I'm probably gonna trail the stop here to London low. Actually, let's just keep it. Should we keep it break even? I think we should just trail it to London low. Like trail it there in the. Yeah, I like it right here actually. I like it right here. And see how heavy we can get on this. We can open up chat now since there's not much more to do. Love you too, JP. I fully got out SSL. Nice, bro. I got in early. Definitely A++ setup. For me, A++, it would have been A++ if this candle displaced a little more. But yeah, honestly, this is pretty much A++ if I'm being honest. Oh, and that's full gap. That's midnight open, so that's your partial. I missed that. That's midnight open right there. Of course, as soon as I open chat. There it is, boys. Why though you got short? Because I was bearish. Q2 manipulation clean. Something like that, pretty much. And the thing for me to look for a reversal now is tough. It's tough. That was near perfection. That was definitely near perfection. I ain't even gonna lie. You ain't gonna lie. You trade for free or what? I see you every day. I'm here every day, brother, for free. Just trading my model. Not here. I'm not here to, what's it called? I'm not here to sell you anything. And I'm not here to prove to you anything. I'm just here to trade my model every day. That is my only objective. Damn, I guess that stream, they're nice. That the stream nice and clean day. Yep, that was clean. Just joined, saw you cooking. Appreciate you. We live every day. We're live every day. What's my model? I trade power of 3. How long are you trading ICT? Should I look for a protraction? If you're bearish, yes. Me personally, I mean, did we flip? We pretty much flipped the daily candle. Are we really not going to take previous day high? I don't know. I think we can take previous day high still. The thing is, for me to look for a reversal now, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candles. That would need to form a CISD. What I would do is just, yeah, my real draw is previous day high as well. But when you see a displacement like this, you start to question. That's 200 points in around 10 minutes. Holy shit, did we just catch 200 points? Oh, I guess it wasn't 200. We entered here. We got 180 points. No, we got 180 points. That's crazy. Why you took the short? I was bridge model working in Forex? Of course, I use it in Forex as well. Thanks, man. I have made my FCMO account. Good luck, brother. Yeah, of course it works in Forex, bro. Of course. You live every day. I'm live every day, guys. Why do people mark out 9:30 open? What confluence does it give? I frame all my trades around 9:30 open. I trade 9:30 power of 3. That is my model. I always frame my trades around 9:30 power of 3. If there was no New York opening here, I wouldn't be taking this trade. Eval or funded? That was on my eval. I don't have any funded right now. Do you have any videos on 9:30 power of 3? My entire model is on YouTube for free. Told you this week was going to be green. Appreciate you, bro. What pair of Forex is the best? They're all good. Yep, IFG first presentation has been happening a lot, and then it formed a nice breakaway gap. As soon as I saw this candle, I was like, that's the reason I shorted here, because I had a feeling this was going to be a breakaway, and I knew you pretty much had 1 minute. I'm even surprised this wicked this high, to be honest. I did not expect it to. We're 1 trade away. I don't even have to risk high on the trade. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, we under risked. Oh, but I didn't tell you guys because I just paid the rebill. So I paid the rebill. That way I don't have to risk 500 and risk all my profits. So all I need to do is make. Yeah, I just need to get 1 more 2R trade. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm like 3R away if I want to risk. I want to risk 250, right? So yeah, we'll do a recap. That's crazy. Why we. That's great. That's why we should hear 9:30 power of 3. I'm telling you, man, 9:30 power of 3. Bro, how are you not gonna trade 9:30 power of 3 if you start trading at 9:30? Like what? Bro, literally trading the 9:30 candle, bro. I'm on 100K and some 50Ks right now. You passed 350Ks, nice, bro. 1 trade passing after months feels good. Love you, JD. What's the difference between Top Step and Alpha Futures? Very identical. There aren't much differences. Right now, with a code, Alpha Futures will be a little bit cheaper, if I'm not mistaken. 2, it's easier to get payout. The rules are easier, which is surprising, because TopStep is already easier compared to other firms. You're waiting for the retest, and that's okay. Yeah, we'll do a recap, guys. I always do the recap. Code Gatie. It's going to give you the best. So, for example, right here, I mean, no protraction formed anyway. But if this was a breaker, that would be your first confluence for longs if we get a breaker here. I would get the alpha futures, guys. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. Okay, you guys want the recap like right now? Like right now? We can do the recap. I'll give you guys a recap, and then I'll do another full recap for TikTok and Instagram later. It's my double purge model, classic model. So it's the same model. Let me show you guys FPT or alpha. It depends if you're trading futures or forex. 930 PO3 classic model. Here you go. You guys want the recap? It's this model right here. I even tell you, look, at this level, we will see retracement, reversal, or seek and destroy. That level is right here. So at this level, we're either going to retrace or going to seek and destroy or reverse. So I've had 3 payouts in my life. That's the recap. I'm going to be straight up with you guys. I don't know. It's this. I was bearish because I could see that we needed a manipulation if we were going to go higher. It formed a perfect classic model. This is an A+ classic model because the double purge. So we took sell side first. So a lot of people maybe thought this was manipulation. At first, I thought this was bearish manipulation. But as soon as I realized that it was getting slow, as soon as I saw that it was getting slow, I realized, and I even said it, I was like, I want to see it actually take the high and then reverse. I said that on live if you were listening closely. I said, I want to see it take the high. And I said, even if it gives me a bullish breaker here, I'm not going to take long because I want to see it take the sell side. So if it just went up, I would have missed it. If it just kept going up, I would have missed it. Why is alpha futures easier for payouts? All you need is like 2 or 3 days. This is all on my YouTube channel. If you guys want to watch this, you guys can. I talk about this model, all my models. This is just one of my setups. This is the setup. If it forms before the macro, it's this. It's 930 volatility that gave us this trade, right? Double pyramid takes a sell side, buy side. Yep, sell side, buy side. So it's not necessarily take sell side, buy side. What it is we engineer liquidity and then run opposing liquidity. That's what you're looking for. So we engineered this low so that people go long here. That's why I said I want to see speed. Because if anyone went long here and they just put their stop loss here, that's when you see those sharp turns. There's a speed. There's an increase in volatility to run anyone here. It doesn't want to give them any chance. That's how it books. So that's that. Why use the 1 minute time frame? I usually use the 1 to 5, but on the 1 minute I can see everything, so it's nice. I'm proud of you, Ryan. Does my fund and futures have a forex market? I don't think so. Why is alpha future easier for payouts? Good question. You only need, I asked the guy yesterday. I'm pretty sure he said 2 trading days. It might have been 3. You don't need to, and with Top Step, you need 5. With Top Step, you need to get a buffer. That's 1. You have to build a buffer if you want to take a payout and keep the account. Because if you take a payout before you get a buffer, you're pretty much going to blow the account after. So that's 1. 2, with alpha, you don't have to build a buffer with alpha futures, and you don't need 5 winning days of $200. You can win like 3 trades and just take a payout, and you still have drawdown to work with. Does the discount price still count on the rebuild? Yep, it'll be on the rebuild. Actually, you know what? Let me double check. Let me message my guy. It should, but that's actually a good question. I think it does. It definitely should. Do you need a buffer on my fund and futures? Yeah. You need to make a certain amount. I mean, I can't, but you're a goated. You're no scammy here. I was going through evals. Appreciate you, bro. Huge SMT. Yeah, like I said, if it's gonna reverse, you have to see a breaker. For me to take a reversal, and I'll stay here with you guys. I mean, I don't mind keep trading. I would need to see a breaker here. No signs of a breaker. What do you think about Apex? Bro, honestly, number 4. The only reason I would ever go on Apex is if I wanted to get 20 accounts or like 10 accounts. But it doesn't even make sense at this point. How much are you getting for the promotion? I don't really make any money, bro. I took a pre-market long TP hit. Nice, bro. My country only allows Top Step. They don't allow alpha? Really? What country? What's the best prop firm for futures? Like, listen. You're talking to someone who has been using Top Step only for 14 months. 15 months, maybe. Sorry, no. 13 months. And I'm here telling you guys, I'm still going to use Top Step. I'm never going to stop using Top Step. Straight up. But the rules on alpha futures are just better. Straight up. Straight up. They're just better. I wouldn't have partnered with Apex. I wouldn't have partnered with My Fund of Futures. Although I do like My Fund of Futures. I do like them. But Top Step's just better. And now, why not My Fund of Futures? It's not bad, but just I don't like the rules. The rules are a little bit not ideal. What's wrong with Apex? I personally, what I don't like about it, by the way, Apex is still good. Apex is still good. So, if you trade on Q, should you only go for futures prop? Yeah, I mean, ideally, yeah. But you can trade it on Forex prop. It's not the work. You think Top Step is best? Top Step is elite traders. I don't know anything about them. How do you know if the market's going to reverse on reversal? If you're bullish, you look for reversal. It's simple. I'm going to keep it simple for you. If you're bullish, you're going to sit here and you're going to wait for a reversal. And if it doesn't form, you had the wrong buys. And you go on to the next day. That's all you have to do, bro. Yes, it does. It does, Ferragamo. 1 to 7 R is crazy. Me? I don't think I... How much did I get? I mean, that was pretty good. Yeah, like our final was like 5.6. Well, obviously, we got it partialed out, so I only got like 3R. I guess we could have seen how heavy it was and just kept it. Was that long bad? What long? If you took a long here, yes. Can you trade 50 micros on TopStep X? I think so. What trading platform does TopStep use? TopStep X. What's it called? Alpha Futures. I looked it up. There are 3 different ones. It's just Alpha. It's Alpha Futures. I put the link in my... By the way, we're doing a giveaway, guys. So if you guys just want to see and test them out, I mean, obviously only 2 people can win the 100K account, but the giveaway's there. So if you want to join the giveaway, it's there for you. Are you funded on TopStep? Nope, I'm not. Actually, I don't have any fundage right now. Can I pass TopStep in one trade? No, you cannot. Which prop firm are you trading now? I'm using TopStep and Alpha Futures, and I probably will not be... I don't think you'll ever see me get a Apex or My Fund of Futures account ever again, to be honest. Why did I short? I thought London lows was an obvious draw. What's Alpha Ticks? Alpha Ticks is this. This is Alpha Ticks. So if you like the TopStep X platform, it's the same platform. It's just Project X that runs this platform. They give it to prop firms. So if you want to be able to copy trade built in, these are trading view charts, so it's not like you're missing out anything. This is Alpha Ticks. Do Alpha do copy your trades as well? I have no idea. I have to ask, to be honest. Yo, this is insane. Why don't you like Apex? It's not that I don't like Apex. It's just, in my opinion, the other prop firms are a little bit easier. Nope, you cannot pass TopStep in one step. TopStep or Alpha Futures? In my opinion, it's easier to get payouts on Alpha Futures. So if you're starting out, Alpha Futures, in my honest opinion. This is from someone who's been using Apex for, I mean, TopStep for literally 14 months. And I'm telling you guys straight up, I've had multiple funded accounts that I was not able to withdraw payout on, simply because I needed to build it. I was trying to build a big enough buffer to request a payout. And you, with Alpha Futures, you can just request and you keep the drawdown. So to me, that's still bearish. Yeah, bearish. No signs of reversal whatsoever. So there's really no point in. The first 1.2K you make on Apex doesn't count. Like that's for real, bro. It's like you have to pass twice, pretty much. So there's no buffer for Alpha Futures. Well, once you get the buffer, like there's still a buffer. But what I'm trying to say is, you can request a payout. Let's say you make $1,000, right? Say you make $1,000, which is like maybe 2 wins, 3 wins, maybe. You can request, let's say, $500. If you did that on Apex, if you did that on TopStep, you only have $500 left. Even though you have the 2,000 drawdown, with that you only have 500 left. But on Alpha Futures, if you request 500, you still have 1,500. You have your original drawdown that you earned, you know? Is the Alpha Futures trading platform good? The Alpha Ticks? Yeah, do you know what TopStep is? This is TopStep. Oh my god, we made 666. We have to take another trade. We cannot end on 666. That's a curse. We have to take another trade. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do that. Don't fuck around with that, guys. Yo, Rafe, if you use Top Step X, it's the same. What is somebody mute? I mean, I appreciate the share, but you're just spamming. Rafe, it's the same platform as Top Step X. So if you want a built-in trade copier and all that stuff, yeah, go for it. You take anything? Yeah, we caught this short. I mean, some of it at least. After activation is 150 for every account size. Top Step X or Trade of A plus Trading View. Personally, I like the X platform. I do have a promotion. It's called Gatie. Alright, we have to block this guy, man. Up 2.2k my eval. Nice, bro. How did you enter the trade? I clicked sell on this candle, 938. How much you made? On the eval, we made 700. EPEX static in full. I think static is why sell there? Because we got the change in the state. And we got the inversion fair value gap. We actually did not get the change in the state on this candle. We didn't. But like this is one of those times where you just kind of know. By the way, it's not breaking any rules because this inversion in itself is enough for me because of the narrative. But I shorted on this. As soon as I saw this candle come up, touch, I clicked short. Damn, was that previous day low? Damn, we took out that equal low draw that we drew. That's crazy. Damn, bro. 400 points? Why is everyone spamming share live, man? I'm like one trade from passing. It depends how much I risk. I need $700. So I decreased my risk again. Of course, we decreased our risk and we catch an amazing trade. But I decreased it because I paid the rebuild, so I have time. So I'm not worried. You know. Would you decrease? I risked. Honestly, I'm gonna be honest. I miscalculated there. So I only shorted 5 micros, which means we didn't get the best way to get out the trade. But I could have shorted. Oh no, 5 micros was correct. Yeah, 5 micros was correct. Okay, nice. Yeah, because I shorted 7 here. I really see the stop could have been like here, but it could have been like a 6 micro trade. You guys think ITT caught that? Why are people spamming share my live? What was your entry? Yep, I shorted right there, 938. Basically the inversion close and the CISD. I think we just left one. I guess we could have just left the one runner. But I'm happy with it. Did ICT cast a short? There's just no way ICT. Yeah. Yo, we caught a way better fill. Yo, listen. ICT just posted. Who's doing it like this? Me. Type shit. I mean, he got a really good entry too. I don't know how he trusted that entry. I could never. Guys, what's going on? Why is my live being spammed share live? What's happening here? Yes, I was only on the 1 minute time frame. I'm always on the 1 minute time frame, guys. Is ICT live? No, he's not live. TikTok isn't. You gave people money? I know a lot of people copy traded that trade. Took another short, bad idea? I mean, depends. Where did you take that short? You need advice? What's your advice? What you need advice, brother? Would you be looking for a long? I wouldn't touch a long. I wouldn't touch a long anymore. You don't see the giveaway channel on Discord? Go to Discord, click GatieTrades community, click show all channels. Then you'll see all the channels. I need more mods on TikTok, bro, because people are just be spamming the fuck out of the share button right now. How's the long at 933? Very bad, in my opinion. Let me get mod if you want. Works for me, bro. You in here often? I think Apex static account means alpha promo. It's code Gatie. Guys, code Gatie will always give you the best discount, so you don't have to worry. It's automatically set up to give you the best discount. Yo, listen, yeah, YouTube, you notice me sometime? No, I know. I remember seeing the name. I don't know how to add a moderator, bro. Is it slash moderator? No, it's not. Hold up. I'm a noob, bro. I don't know how to do this. I don't know, man. People are just spamming the shit out of my TikTok chat. If you want, if you guys want, just come over to YouTube. Straight up. Just come over to YouTube. I'm gonna be honest. I'm up 2.2K. I just need 1 to 2 R. My rebuilds on Monday. What should I do? Yep. I mean, you can trade PM. I wouldn't trade this morning. I don't think you'll find a nice 2R trade anymore. That's high probability. Yeah, honestly, just come to YouTube. I want to answer you guys' questions. I can't keep blocking every single account. I'm trying, but I don't know. I don't know what these I'm getting bot spammed right now. What's up, Danny? Danny, in reversal, anyone? I don't think we're gonna reverse for 500 points. You know, it's just I go live every day, brother. Yeah, I'm here every day. Code Gatie gives the same discount as Feb 30. Yeah. So right now, if they're running 30%, it's just you know, that's why you don't have to use my code. It's just always gonna be the desk. It's not like I have a. That'd be kind of cool though. If I just had like the discount. No, it's just code Gatie will just always give you the best discount, whatever the best discount is. Would you see more progress in backtest or forward test or both? Backtest will give you a profitable model. Forward test will teach you how to use it. Please finish the conversation about static. Sorry about that, brother. Static account means the drawdown is fixed. So if it's negative 2,000, oh, I blocked you. Shit, my bad, Riley. I'll fix that. If you're static, it's like negative 2,000. It'll stay there. It's static at negative 2,000. It means it's not gonna trail. What's your strategy? Power of 3. Does Alpha have trailing drawdown? No. It's end of day. It's not live. No premium levels. Maybe 50% or fib. You could look for a retracement if you really wanted to. In my opinion, trade lunch or just trade PM session. What's forward testing? Like taking live trades. You catch any good trades? Yep, I shorted 938 and we executed like this. What time frame you look for liquidity? All time frames. It's not about classic model, exactly. It's not about what time frame. For me, it's not about which time frame the liquidity is on, unless it's a daily previous day high or low or a session high or low. For me, it's what time do we engage with the liquidity pool. That's what's more important for me. It's one person spamming the button. It's multiple people, bro. I've blocked like 50 accounts. Like I already blocked them. It's, believe it or not, it's different accounts sported. Believe it or not, sports ditto. For me, it's like entry on the daily. Yeah, if you want to enter on the daily, that's okay. Bring back Biden. Honestly, guys, you literally had maybe 1.5 minutes to enter that trade. Otherwise, you missed it, and it's just unfortunately, you know. If I didn't have my classic setup, I wouldn't have caught this. Absolutely not. I don't see how I would have entered. If I didn't enter right here and this candle closed, I would have just said I missed it and that's it. So if you missed it, don't feel bad. It really didn't give you much to work with, so don't feel bad. Never feel bad for missing a move. Like every day at 6:30 is the SMT entry. I don't know who told you that, bro, but just forget that thought. Completely forget that thought. The continuation, I mean, I don't know how you're gonna find a continuation in this. I can buy account on Top Step. Should I just go with Alpha? Yes, bro. Alpha is the number one. I'm not gonna say number one firm, but they have the number one rules. Yeah. What's the discount code? Code is Gatie. I saw your trade. It was magic. What was your confirmation? As soon as this candle closed, 937, that was enough confirmation for me. Which rules? The rules to get a payout. Oh my god, did the bot stop? What's it doing? It's accumulating. Could you go over the rules? Sorry, when I say rules, all you need to do to get a payout, how much is it? It's the same price as Top Step. If you want to get a payout, all you need to do is you need to trade 3 days, I think. I think that's it. The Discord link is, you just blew 6 evals. Top Step, what happened? For real? Nah, you're joking, bro. Exactly, Abdullah, exactly. But for me, Abdullah, the key is it happened before the macro. That's the thing, Abdullah. That's the key for me. It happened before. So for me, if it's before the Gaties for Top Step or Alpha. For Alpha, unfortunately, there's no... Top Step doesn't give discount codes, bro. I actually asked them. They said no. Is it same price after coupon? It's just going to be the same price, yep, every month, brother. Would it be smart to take a short right now? It's not the worst. You'd have to wait for something. Like maybe if we can stoop and break down. I don't know what you're gonna aim for. You reckon a 4-hour PO3? No, I don't think so. It could spend the rest of the session retracing. Guys, we dumped 500 points, guys. I think 10 a.m. reversal it's kind of just going outside the window right now. It's 500-point reversal. I mean, it would be pretty freaking insane if we really started to see something like this in the next hour. That would be crazy. You reckon? Yeah, I don't think so. It's the same price. It's code for Alpha. Discord link. It should be in YouTube. It's really easy. YouTube will send you right to it. So if you go to my YouTube about me or whatever, I don't know where it is. It's somewhere there. Anything is possible in Trump PA? Yes, it is, brother. It should be right there. You can just click the link and it should take you. Also in the description, brother. Riley, if you go to that's the easiest. On YouTube, in the description of the YouTube live stream, you'll see the Discord link. It's free, obviously. You gotta look at Discord. I'm looking right now, brother. Oh, bro. Were you clicking buy? Yep, the link to Discord is either in my TikTok bio or YouTube. We gotta remove these executions for now. Is there a large SMT, someone said? Yeah, there is a large SMT. So there's SMT at the daily sell side level. You took a short there, Chooch? Just want to get off this account. I know, bro. It's so frustrating. It's so frustrating when you're so close to passing an account and then you see some shit like this and you're like, bruh, like there's no way I could have entered. And then you see something like this and you're like, let me just... Like, I feel you, bro. I feel you. It's not easy, man. Like, I feel you so hard, bro. Bro, the rebuild shit is the dumbest shit ever, man. I swear it's the dumbest shit ever, bro. I know. Bro, that ass, like, that's why I think it's just so much better to just freaking increase your risk from the get-go, bro. Because bro, if that time comes for the rebuild, it's just too much pressure and you're going to take a bad trade and you're not going to pass it anyways. So either just pay the rebuild or increase risk. Like, yeah, honestly, Chooch, I wouldn't even say it's a bad idea, bro. Gatie, is it weird? I'm kind of happy this happened. I mean, is it weird? Yeah, I wish I could be happy. What is the rebuild? With futures firms, every month you repay the account if you don't pass. What's the difference between standard and advanced? I don't know. You want to find out together, bro? Because I'm going to be honest, I only looked at the standard. So, alright, we can look here. Nah, don't use code FEP30, guys. Use my code. I mean, if you're going to choose one, I'm just saying. Okay, so standard plan, 90% split, which is great. 5 contracts, micro scaling, yes. Consistency rule, it's like 40%. It's pretty much the same. So notice, look at the 100K, guys. Yes, when you pay when you reset. Look at the 100K, guys. You have your back. But wait, you can't make that much, can you? You have 4,000 drawdown, man. You have 1,000 more dollars to work with. Like, bruh. How much better is that, bro? No, I think Alpha Futures is the best, bro. No cap. Okay, look at this. Cool, cool. So what is this? Profit target's 4,000. Wait, what? Oh, I guess for this one, there's no consistency rule. There's no consistency rule. So I guess that's the difference. It's harder to pass. Guys, honestly, I don't think I would do the advanced unless you're really, really consistent or you're just trying to get like 350Ks advanced. I don't know. I don't want to like say not to, but in my opinion, just get the standard. It's cheaper. Like whatever, just don't gamble, you know? You really can't mess up the rule. You wish you saw it before buying the top step. It's okay, bro. I mean, it's not that big of a difference. In my opinion, yeah, it's gonna be easier to get the payout. It's gonna be easier to get the payout, but that's all. Which firm is good for beginners? This one right here, bro. Is the consistency rule only on eval? No, so for the consistency rule is there. The consistency rule is there. That's their only rule. So if you want to get a payout, all you need to do is win 3 trades that are, I think it's 50% or 40% consistent. That's it. So if you, it might even be 2. Hold on, let me double check. Let me double check because I asked them yesterday. It's for eval, it's 50%. For funded, it's 40%. Activation is $150. Standard on every single account. Same as Top Step. How many? Yeah, it has all futures firms have activation fee except my funded futures, but then their evals are more expensive. Eval with the code, I think you can get it for like $50 right now for 50K. Of course it's legit. Yeah, if you don't know this firm already, they already have a successful forex firm. They just also now added futures, separate sister firm. How many trading days to get payout? I'm pretty sure, guys, if you take 2 trades or 3 trades, you can request payout. I genuinely think we may see price reverse. It's possible. I mean, anything is possible, but if anything, I'd probably look for a short. My funded futures is the most cheapest. It's the cheapest if you pass the eval. Well, all you need is a 40% consistency rule and you can request payout. And you can request all the money if you want. You can request all your money. If you get the advanced, you can pay yourself out weekly, but then you do need 5 winning days if you do the advanced. And then it's 50% split. 50% you can request up to. 40% consistency rule. It means your best trade can't be more than 40% of your profits. So if you make, let's say you make $10,000 on the account. No, you don't need a buffer. If you make $10,000 on an account, your best trade cannot be $4,000. It has to be less than 4,000. You have to show some consistency in profits. You can't be like plus 200, plus 200, plus 400, plus 800, and then plus 6,000. Like, you can't do that. So as long as you follow risk management, you should be fine. For him, it's Alpha Futures. What do I think about you? Top Step 2? No, Top Step, you cannot take all your profits. You can only request up to 50%. Top Step have a buffer. Top Step, yeah, you're doing a giveaway. Yep, giveaways in the Discord. Yeah, it's 1 step. Gatie, what do you think about the unicorn entry? I think it's a wonderful entry. The firm is called Alpha Futures, and code is my last name. But you don't have to use my code, to be honest. I don't really care. I don't really make much. I'm just more trying to, I'm honestly just trying to put you guys on, bro, because I know I'm gonna tell you why, bro. I get a lot of messages and people ask, yep, activation is one-time thing. A lot of people message me and they say, like, how much money should I get before taking payouts. Usually they're talking about Top Step. And I tell them you have to build a buffer. So if you want to request a payout on Top Step, you're probably going to want to get like 2,500. Sorry, 2,500. That way you can take a $500 payout and still have 2,000 left. But with this firm, you don't have to, bro. You can dead ass make $500 and request it, and you'll still have 1,500 to work with. Like, that's pretty amazing if you ask me. So, and then you get the 90% split, which is pretty good too. YPA moves slowly before big moves. It's accumulating. What about Funded Trader? I'm personally never heard about that firm, brother. We need an app to copy your TopStep account order. It's automatic. You can do it on TopStep X automatically. What do you think about Equity Edge? I personally have. I mean, I actually have heard of them, but I think I do it. I know some people in my Discord who use them, so maybe it's not the worst, but not too sure. Show everyone shows crazy. There you go. How do I enter the giveaway? It's very simple. If you want to enter the giveaway, just go to my free Discord. Go to the giveaway section. 3 steps. Follow them on Instagram. Join the Discord. It's right there. And leave a exclamation, whatever, a check mark on this firm. Best CFD firm? Funded by traders, yeah, for sure, in my opinion. Funded by traders is pretty much FTMO, but cheaper. So, just use funded by traders, bro. Straight up. Straight up. Assuming you get the discount code, right? They always have discount codes up. How do you enter without manipulation? I always enter with manipulation. Will it be announced on Livestream? Giveaway winners will be announced. I don't know what the fuck I just said. Will be announced March 3rd. So the reason I'm doing March 3rd is because it's Monday, the start of the new month. It's the first day of the week, so that way you guys can have the accounts for the new month. What do you personally think of FTMO? FTMO is good, but in my opinion, just take funded by traders because it's pretty much the same and just cheaper, and you can trust them, so it's good. I had to take a trade, yep. I've never used Equity yet, Hakeem. I've never used them personally. I've not been able to get set up these past 2 weeks. I only get 2 setups, 1 win, 1 break even. What should I do? If your model has only formed twice in the last 2 weeks, let's go, Toffee! What I like to see. You took the long here? 10-12? I've seen Equity Edge, guys, but honestly, I would just use funded by traders. I'm pretty sure they're the same price, and they're a lot more trustworthy. Oh, you took the short too? I'm so proud. I'm so proud. I love it when I see my freaking students take the same trade, man. It's actually the best feeling in the world, man. That was a hard one to catch, though. Insta made a good point there. Good job, Insta. Alpha said you need 30 days for a first payout? No, that's not true. Am I feeling... For 2K bank? Chooch, how much can you make? Isn't there there's a consistency rule, bro? You can't... there's a consistency rule, bro. Check the latest video for best New York Open strategy. I'm good. On FAQ, does it really say that? Let's see. I'm pretty sure you can take a payout every 2 weeks. Are you sure you're looking at alpha futures? I don't think you're looking at alpha futures, brother. Yep, I take trades live. I get you're trying to promote yourself, bro. But no, I'm not opening your video on live stream. It says there are no limits or thresholds that must be met for withdrawals, but we reward consistency. Traders can earn up to 90% split. Minimum payout on a standard is $200. Traders may request their dashboard payout every 14 days from the first trade placed on their funded. So I don't know. Let me ask my guy. If so, better get that count up hella quick. Shit. No cap. No cap. I don't really know. Let me ask my guy. Would you short right now? If we inverse this, that could meet decent criteria for a short. It wouldn't be A+, but it wouldn't be the worst trade. It's 50% for eval, yeah. So it's like top step. You can only pass in 2 days. So no full porting one trade. You can full port 2 trades though. Would you short right now? Like, no, I wouldn't, but yeah, I don't think you don't have to wait 30 days, bro. I told someone and he sent me this. I asked someone, they sent me this link, and yeah, I don't think you have to wait. Going for a second trade? No, but we can outline this short together. Yep, I can go over the trade if you want. I mean, to make this as simple as possible for you, I'll tell you the model I used. The reason I shorted is because I thought London lows were likely to be taken after seeing that double purge. I was bullish to previous day high originally, but then after seeing the way this formed, I could see that we were going to see another run on sell side. So basically I was bearish and I traded my PO3 model, my classic PO3. Here. This is the model I used. Focus on the left image. That's your trade review right there, brother. I will make a full trade review on TikTok and I'll post everything, but just for simplicity's sake. What do you think about gold? I forget. Bullish, I think? Well, I'll check for you. There's an order block and FG on NQ line with each other. That's really good. That's high probability. Just entered the giveaway. Nice, bro. Hope you win, brother. Hi, mate. Been in crypto for a few years and recently just started trading Forex. Really enjoy your lives and videos. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. I need this, please. It's on my YouTube channel. You can't have the actual PDF, but I mean, if you want to take a picture or you want to go on the YouTube channel, I've never hid any information from you guys. It's all there. I have a live account, but it's for stocks. I only trade stocks on them. Which, by the way, we closed a nice win on NVIDIA before the dump, thankfully. And I will buy more AMD if it goes below 100. That's all. MMXM is great, brother. Whichever FG in the 1 minute gets inversed, I'm taking a trade in that direction. Chooch, are you making too much money, bro? You can't make that much. You saw the breaker block and marked out high and low. In this case, it was the CISD. You could have used the breaker. If you used the breaker, you would have had to short it right there, and this would have been your trade. So still not bad. I used the CISD. So look back, inversion. It's just 3 things. It is, for me, it doesn't matter which one. It doesn't matter which one. For me, it was the inversion and the CISD, and the inversion. Classic model. Double purge. Sell side. Engineer low. Take out the high. And then dump. That's why I said right here at 9:39. Go back to the live stream. What did I say? I said, watch. It's going to pick up speed. It should pick up speed here. If this is a true double purge model, it's going to pick up speed. Because it's using that 9:30 volatility. Dude, what's going on, bro? You're making too much. I call it GatieTrades. No, it's not my concept. It's ICT's concept. It's called first presentation fair value gap. It's not. You guys thinking I call it GatieTrades? I love that, bro. You can call this my Gatie model if you want. Not the short here. I mean the double purge classic. I don't know if anyone else trades like that, but this is first presentation fair value gap. It's not my concept. It's ICT's teaching. I just use it. You think it's gonna make a new low? I would bet it makes a new low over a new high. Caddy FPG would be cool, but I'm not just gonna steal the fair value gap concept. That's funny. Just out of interest, I know this is not forex, but can I still use similar? 100%, bro. I mean, on higher time frame though, for more consistent PA, tips would be really appreciated. Are you trading forex firm, forex pairs or NAS 100? Either way, it doesn't matter, but it works. 30 minutes forming. 30 minutes is forming, yeah. So it looks like that might happen. So something like this, touch midnight open, that could be a high probability short. You think it's gonna make a new low? Yeah, it's possible for sure. Pairs, thank you. I would look at weekly power of 3. So for me, the model's fractal. I would replace 930. See how it says New York Open? Replace that with the weekly open. And then look for the exact same models. 3 of them. Classic, reversal, protraction. I wouldn't look for the range model on the weekly time frame. Do I need to lose on purpose if I'm up 15k on 100k eval? Bro, you're up 15k on 100k eval? Just go demo trade at that point. Just paper trade at that point. The classification PO3, the classic model, it's not about the time frame. So I'll go to the 2-minute time frame here. You could have taken the same entry, but notice how bad the fill is. I'm on the 1 minute. I'm always going to be on the 1 minute. In my opinion, I get the most information. What I do is if the 1 minute doesn't look clean, that's when I go 2, 3, even 4, and 5. To me, the 1 minute is the cleanest here, personally. So I'm always on the, it's just like the one I mastered the most, you know? I think this is a fake. This low is fake. I think we still come up higher, but that's just me. I can't use NASDAQ chart on TradingView with alpha futures. You can. You have to get the Trade-O-Vate plan. You said it's in YouTube, but I don't see it. It's the series. It's called Gems Power of 3. Episodes 1 to 6 will teach you everything about my model if you want to learn. You don't have to watch it. It's just for those who want to. Clean trade today, bro. Same setup. Nice, brother. Deadass, bro. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. It's okay. It's okay, Toxic. Do some back testing today, bro. You want to do some back testing? Thank you so much. I got you, AJ. No worries, brother. By the way, there's like 1,000 ways to trade. You don't have to trade my model. How often does your model present itself? Pretty much every day, but it's not always easy to see, you know? Sometimes you're gonna miss it and you're gonna be like, oh, that's where it was, you know? I missed that. Can we trade with Ninja? You can trade with Ninja, Trade-O-Vate, and then their platform, which is this Top Step X platform. Well, it's not Top Step X, it's Project X, but you don't look for shorts. This model is done now. Maybe. Thanks. Got you, brother. Have you been longs? No, I'm not. I'm not in any longs. Cool. Yeah, protraction may happen. This would actually be your protraction model right here. So, deadass, bro, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, we'll do some backtesting today, Toxic. It's okay, bro. Love you, man. Alpha Futures does have an activation fee, just like any other firm. It's a $150 activation fee, just like same as Top Step. It's pretty much, guys, same as Top Step. The only difference is it's just you have more drawdown to work with, and it's easier to get a payout. Like you can get a payout quicker. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Who did I block on TikTok? You understand? You don't have time. Yep, I'll send you something later, AJ. Can you message me on Discord? I'll send you something later. He's not going up. I definitely do not look for longs today, guys. Guys, we just placed 500 points, guys. It's like your ultimate red flag to look for longs. Will you trade tomorrow? Yep, I'm here every day, bro. The only day I will not be live trading is if I'm sick. Of course, brother. Of course, AJ. I got you, man. I just want to see you guys succeed, man. I just want to see you guys succeed, bro. Yeah, this looks good, man. This looks good. But you got to keep trades like this small. You got to keep trades like this really small because we don't have to make a lower low. Even though it can go lower, it doesn't have to make a lower low. So what do? Something like this. You're in this? No. I'm just outlining that this meets the model criteria. That's why I'm not gonna. If I post the P&L tool, people will just copy trade. So if you're listening, you're listening. People ask me what I look for a short. Yeah, this would be the short right here. This would be the only way. This would be the only way for me to take a trade. If you get closure below this, that's a really solid thing. I would definitely look to partial at discounts, and I would for sure be break even by now. This breakaway gap, I don't want to see a trade back. Because trade like this I don't like trade like this, you know? They're all iffy. Yo, by the way, guys, they literally have like 24/7 help in the Discord. Like, I'm pretty sure they pay people. So if you guys have questions, feel free to message me. But literally just join the Discord. I've literally asked them like 20 questions here. They reply like pretty much instantly every single time. So if you have literally any concerns, just ask them. It's free. And they're literally all there. And they have people literally just there waiting to answer your questions, bro. So just go spam them. Not that I won't help you guys. Obviously, if you have any questions, ask me. They have 24/7 staff, like hired 24/7 staff. So literally, I asked them some shit at 3 a.m. last night, and they were like, "Yeah, no worries, bro." Notice how we did not close below. That candle's low. I'm up 880 today. Really grateful. Proud of you, brother. Proud of you. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, brother. I'm in 5 contracts short. You trying to pass the next 2 evals as well, bro? Damn. Did anyone here get an account with code Gatie? I feel like I should keep track or some shit. And then maybe, I don't know, do a giveaway for those people or something. I don't know. Did you take that? I took shorts here. I didn't do it. I didn't actually take this short. I was just outlining. See you tomorrow, brother. Are you gonna enter a short here soon? No. But what I would look for, I would either be in short right now, but like I said, the best short would be, I'll draw it up again. You probably will later. Let me know, Rafe, because maybe I'll do a separate giveaway for you guys. By the way, I know I just keep saying this. I don't want this whole stream to be about fucking alpha futures. But if you guys are not in my Discord, just join the giveaway. It's free. It's literally 3 steps. We had a huge giveaway. 300 people joined this giveaway. I want to see that same love. It's a futures 100K account. Account got closed out. Ah, it's okay, bro. I mean, the rebuild was coming. It's a 100K account. We're giving away 2, so you have twice the chance. When when's the giveaway? What's the giveaway? This information all right here. It's in the Discord. Come to giveaways. We're gonna be doing a lot of giveaways with this firm because it's a good firm, and these are the accounts I want to give away. Should we be giving away Apex accounts? You give away Apex accounts, bro. People full port it, they pass, and they never get a payout, bro. Never. Because you have to follow the consistency rule, live trailing drawdown. You need a 2,000 whatever buffer. Type shit. You don't want giveaways, I want mentorship. DM me, brother, DM me. I literally would have to make 5K today and 5K. you better put on your scalping hat, bro, because damn. Just like that, dang. Just like what? What do you do to enter? It's 3 steps in the Discord. You just have to follow them on Instagram, join the Discord. The link's right there. The link's right there. 5 seconds, bro. From PH. What's PH? Philadelphia? And then leave a exclamation mark. Don't just leave the exclamation mark. I promise you, you will not win. You will not win. What was your first trade? I only took 1 trade. And I shorted right here, 938. Oh, sorry, it was earlier, 936. 938. You think it's a great short here? I want to see it take the high first. Drop your message on Discord. I got you, brother. Hey, Gatie, could you make a recap of the trade you took today? Just join the live. Yep, I'll do a recap. I'll tell you, but I will make a video on it shortly. Classic. You know my classic model? This is it right here. This is a recap. What's your code? Gatie. What account size are you going to get, Chooch? Because honestly, usually I get to 50. But I feel like I might get to 100 from now on. Because think about it. You have 4K drawdown? Bro, 4K drawdown? That's lit. I wish I had 4K drawdown, bro. 4K drawdown? I mean, I guess the profit target's a lot more. Like, okay, assuming you pass. Because obviously you have to get the 6K on the 100. But what if you just got the 4K? Let's say you pass the account choose, right? And you have 100K funded. You know how easy it is? Bro, you can risk $200 per trade and still get the same results on a 50K, but you have 20 trades buffer, bro. That account will never be blown. You can risk 200 per trade every trade, you know? I mean, obviously you can just risk 400, which is 10% if you want. But I'm saying, like, when you're funded, if you really want to be passive and secure payout, you can risk $200 per trade. And that's like, you have unlimited trades pretty much, 20 trades, bro. Is there any chance you can go in depth of your short entry today on market open? I'm trying to learn how to take trades today that are not important to me. I got you, brother. I had 9% draw, and then I got it back, and I forgot about the daily limit. She. Any trades today? What's your win rate? In theory or back test or this month? My win rate when? Last year? Last month? This month? In theory, my model in theory. My strategy. In 2023, back test, my strategy offered like 62%. 2024 was better. It was like 69, 68. In 2022, they were like, yeah, it was like 50s. 2022 and 2021 were worse. How do you take multiple TPs on TradingView? Mine's messed up. I just sell them, bro. Market order. So if I'm in shorts, I just go like this. If I'm in short 5, I'll just go to like 3 and then click buy or sell. My friend said you're laughing too much. Man, tell him to mute me. I don't know, bro. Is there any chance you can go? Okay, so in depth, yes, in depth, no problem. So originally, I was looking for longs. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Originally, I was looking for longs, right? And I said if we get a bullish breaker here, I will go long. And then what did I see? 932, 3, 4. We formed a bullish fair value gap. But what did I say? If you were listening closely into the stream, as soon as these candles started to consolidate, I knew, I can tell by the way this is printing, that this is starting to form, like this is going to be a double purge. What does that mean? It means, I think, if we're going to expand higher, if I'm correct that we're bullish, if we're going to expand higher, then we're probably going to see a run on sell side, London lows. I'm going to be honest. I did not really expect it to come all the way down here. Obviously, that's why I didn't hold the trade. But I did know we were going to come lower. I knew my draw was lower as soon as this candle formed. So what did I see? As soon as 937 came, I wanted to see, are we going to respect this fair value gap? If we respect this fair value gap, then there's a really good chance we're just going to take previous day high, which is over here, which was my original idea. But if we don't respect this fair value gap, then I know we're likely, even if we're bullish, we're still likely to take out some sell side before moving higher. So my objectives this sell side here, and London lows. Bro, it took me so while. Bro, Chooch, you know what took me so long? To realize that the submit button for the information was in the top right corner. I really couldn't find it, bro. Your buy flipped so quick. I need to get that good. Yeah, it is definitely a skill. And I'm gonna be honest, it's hard to do it on live. You couldn't find it too? It's hard to do it on live. That's why I don't look at chat anymore. Because I used to be like, as soon as I saw this, I knew we're gonna take at least this low, this and this low, and then ideally best case London low. Then obviously I left the runner for that midnight open. Which, by the way, look how good that is. We got the retracement and then dumped, but it does take experience. You just need to really know what you're looking for. You're right. I literally changed my bias within a matter of like 15 seconds, and then I said if this candle closes bearish, I'll short, and that's just how fast it is, you know. Are you bullish now with SMT? No, I'm bearish. It works on every asset, brother. Use 930 opening. Well, gold is volatile and very weird sometimes. Manipulative. Manipulative. I understand if you want to trade gold, but why trade gold when you can trade NAS 100? I just don't get it. We take the same trade. Great minds think alike. I guess, bro. I guess. As long as you followed your model and we followed our rules, that's all that matters. Bro, I really do have type loss for me. Yeah, I know, it's fucked. How to spot the AMD happening in gold? Why does everyone like trading gold so much, bro? Let me ask you guys, standard plan? I would do the standard, bro. I mean, unless you're really, really feeling good about your trading right now. What? Yep, go get your journal in, bro. Which plays did you learn? I've watched every single ICT lecture multiple times. You ever traded crude oil? Yeah, one time, and we lost. It was funny. I just wanted to trade it, honestly. I've never taken a trade on crude oil. So I was like, you know what? Let me just trade it. And we took a trade. And you know what? It slipped us. Like it hit our stop and then went. Yes, you can apply PO3 on gold, but let me ask you, why do you want to? I just feel like NASDAQ prints a lot more organized. You know? Why gold? Why does everyone love gold so much? I don't understand. What's here? Insta. I was also looking for previous day high to begin, but I'm gonna tell you what made me switch. I want to tell you to make me switch because this is kind of your next step. Previous day high was a very good objective in my opinion. I was also bullish. First thing I saw was this fair value gap get touched and then move higher. We did get a CISD right here. But if you notice how these next candles printed, 1, 2, and then this one started to expand. And then when we take out this high, this is what I told myself. If we expand above this high, I can maybe look for a long on this fair value gap. But because we wicked, I don't like how, what's the word? Disorganized. Like, see how it kind of slopped? It's not like this. Look at this turn in comparison to this. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah, we got a small ass fair value gap, but we wicked the high. So what did I do? I didn't even say I'm bearish at this point. I said I'm gonna wait for this candle because it's sloppy, not because I think I want to see what this next candle does. Like in backtest, when you skip 1 minute, you're like, I need 1 more minute of information, you know, because we're at a pivotal point. You don't want to just click buy here if it's like it might just like it's. Look at this. It's not that large of a displacement. The breaker's not clean. The CISD is not clean. There's a lot of wicks. So you're like, you know what? Let me wait 1 more minute. And as soon as I saw this 1 minute candle aggressively start to displace, it just the flip switch. You said, you know what? Even if, and by the way, I didn't even change my bias yet. This is just classic model. I said if we're gonna go higher, I think we would reverse from London lows or this fair value gap in midnight open. So that's the idea. I never even said I was bearish until I saw like, okay, holy shit, this is like insane delivery. That's when I said I'm bearish, right? On the day. So my bias was incorrect. But that's the beauty in the model. That's the beauty in the classic model. You don't need to have the correct bias with the classic. because if you think, do you get what I'm trying to say? If we were gonna reverse and go higher, it's a lot more likely to reverse from London lows, right, after taking sell side, than to reverse from up here, like to go up higher from here, because of this candle. If it was gonna go up from here, it would have respected this fair value gap, right? It wouldn't have given you a CISD. It wouldn't have given you a perfect double purge. Yeah, the double purge was really clean too. And then as soon as you see that, like low, high, and then you're like, double purge is coming. And then double purge, of course, you always see that speed. We got the 100K account logged in and everything. Jeez, are you gonna trade it today? How much are you gonna risk? Where is the alpha platform? What do you mean, where is it? Like, I am Iraqi, yeah. Remember people tag you, Ando, HR Brothers, Ando Trade, Ando. Who's that one trader people say you look like? Ando? I don't remember that, bro. What risk reward was this short? I mean, depends, because obviously we partialed it out. It was, I think we averaged around like 3, but if you were to hypothetically hold it perfectly to the last target, it would have been 6. I'm Iraqi too. What's up, brother? Are we heading higher? I'd be bearish. We'll play this on your YouTube as your strategy and Gems Power of 3 Mastery. But obviously we didn't secure a 6.6R. I partialed. Yeah, there is an activation fee, yep. Every futures firm will have an activation fee except my funded futures. The only downside is my funded futures is it's more expensive for the eval. Where do I take trades on alpha platform? It's up to you. You can either trade it on this, so the Project X platform, in which case you can copy trade and whatever you want to do, or you can do it with Tradeovate or NinjaTrader. It's up to you. I like the Alpha Tix platform, but it's up to you. What playlist? Yep, it's that playlist. How long you learn ICT? I learned a lot of ICT. Probably 8 months, I would say, brother. Before I found my model content. 6 months, maybe. Once I found my model and I was content, I was happy. And it was easier to trade. Is this your reversal model? The reversal model is only valid if you think it's going to come above 930. There is no reversal model if you think it's not going to become above here. It's just you don't even look for it. It's a reversal. Reversal of what? Reversal of the 930 candle. If the 930 high is right here, unless you think it's going to come up there, then there's no reversal. This, you don't understand how much that rule makes me miss out on losses. Like, I miss out on so many like, I avoid so many losses with that rule. Everyone always says reversal. Like, sure, if you're bullish, you can look for a long here, right? The criteria is there. But remember one thing. If you're going to long this, you're making the argument, the reversal, Toffee, the rule is, if you're looking for a reversal, you have to understand what's reversing. It's the 930 candle. So do you really think the 930 candle is going to flip from bearish to bullish and we're going to get a higher high? That's 500 points. Probably not, So, yeah, the criteria is there, but like, what reversal? Just because we're moving, it's not a reversal, You could argue that this is range model. So I don't teach this as much, but if you look at the range, I don't have it. My range model. So the range model criteria is this, but you have to close in premium. So in this case, where would you look to close? I guess this order block right here, right? Whatever premium, this fair value gap right here. That's how you trade the range model. So this is your model, and I don't like this model, but if you miss out on a trade, and then, we enter a discount, we get a CISD or a breaker, you can long and you target premium. But with this model, the risk reward is usually not that good. It's usually very choppy. And in this case, like what? You would have maybe, like, even if you got to stop here, 1 risk to reward. Like, yeah, I guess it's decent. But let's be honest, it's not the best trade. I don't like trading my range model. and you have to close in premium. You don't look for the highs. You look for the first premium array. Thoughts on CRT? I think it's BS. But I do think it works, just not because it's CRT. I think it works because it's power of 3 aligned. You look to taking more trades, are you done? Not now, maybe PM session. Where's the giveaway in Discord? Click on Discord. Go to GatieTrades community. Giveaways. Boom. Right there. I'm freaking banned JD by accident. What time is PM session? I'm in Eastern time, so PM session is 1:30. It's not showing up for you. If you don't have all the channels, click GatieTrades community and then click show all channels. You have to show all channels. Yeah, I don't know why Discord added that stupid ass feature, but I guess it's because I have a lot of channels or a lot of big Discord. So, okay, how do you unban someone on TikTok? Does anyone know? Literally one of my most loyal viewers, I banned him by accident. What order did you learn ICT? I learned 2022, 2016, charter content. And then the 2023, 2024, 2025. I watched pretty much all of them multiple times though. I wasn't able to learn it in the first time. I don't see him blocked. Besides respecting 5-minute bearish FEG, how much percent you made today? 1.5%. What indicator are you using for midnight open? The indicator I use is called ICT kill zones and pivots. It'll mark out New York Open and midnight open for me and extend it out in time. That way I can always see the daily power of 3 and the 930 power of 3 in action. I don't like that big candle, that, you know, the indicator of the big candle. I don't like that. To me, it's a little bit messy. I'd rather just mark out the opening price and it keeps the chart. You took an L today? Nope, today was a win. Wait, Ryan, is that you? No, that's not Ryan. Besides reflecting 5-minute bear sympathy, what do you look for pre-market before? So ideally, the most A plus thing that can happen is we consolidate pre-market. That's the best thing. If we consolidate pre-market, that's your A plus entry for a classic model. So that's in this case. Just made $200 off the alpha account. Just bought. They gave me 27. Oh, nice. Did you use my code? I know you didn't. What indicator? Yep, that's the one. That's good though. Get the discount, brother. Proud of you, man. Keep it up, my man. Keep it up, my man. Oh, you did use my code, for real? I'm thinking, should I do like a separate giveaway for people who use my code? I fucked up though, because I should have already announced that. Maybe you have to do it next time or some shit. Anyways, we'll probably wrap this up now. I am getting pretty hungry. I will post a trade recap. The giveaway winner will be announced March 3rd after live stream. So yes, you're gonna miss out on Monday's trading, but hopefully you get the rest of the week. My plan is so that you can use it for the month, right? You'll have a full month of trading except minus 1 day. So hopefully that works out. And listen, straight up, I'm gonna be getting a lot of. I don't want to put any high hopes, but I think I'm gonna be doing a lot of giveaways. So just, be ready for that. I'm hoping if everything goes well. It honestly depends. I'm gonna be straight up with you guys. It depends how much love you guys show. If you guys show a lot of love to the posts and I'm bringing in people to their Discord and stuff, I get to do more and more giveaways. I can ask for more and more stuff. It's kind of like mutual. So put the check mark, join the giveaway. Literally all I'm asking for you is to join the giveaway. If you guys join the giveaway, we can do even more giveaways. Best case scenario, we can do weekly giveaways. Worst case scenario, monthly giveaways, but we'll see if we can get at least something in between. Today's trade recap, classic model. This is your trade recap right here. Does manipulation necessarily clear liquidity or the accumulation part? Ideally, it does reach into some form of premium high. So it depends. If I'm looking for a reversal model, then I do want to see a manipulation into some sort of key level. The classic model, it doesn't need to go that far. This high is enough for me. If there was an equal high here, I don't care. It doesn't need to come here. That's more than enough. You know, the whole point of it is it needs to be quick. That's the whole point. It needs to be early into the session because I want to see 930 volatility carry me, right? I want to see one-sided delivery for 930. That's the whole point of this model. But don't hold this for too long because remember, at this level, we see retracement or reversal or seek and destroy. That level is right there. So in this case, is it -2 or negative? If I had to guess, it's probably -2.5. Yeah, so literally exactly -2.5. So notice, it says, it's literally in the model, bro. At this level, we will see retracement. If it's retracement, you look for your protraction. If it's reversal, you look for your reversal. If it's seek and destroy, you look for your range model. This is 2.5. In this case, it was retracement. Unfortunately, it's not the best retracement, but I mean, there's a bearish order block and a bearish fair value gap aligning inside of a macro. It's not the worst retracement either. Just used your code 1 hour ago and got my 2K profit on Alpha Trader. Let's fucking go. I took the inverse bot longs. Oh, long here? 10, 12? This? It's not a bad entry. But I would just, you gotta make sure you're targeting something in premium. Brennan? You took the long here though, Brennan? What's up, Moise? Made 1100 off ES in my demo. Been trying out the counter range theory. It's been very helpful. Nice, bro. Can you show reversal model? For sure, brother. I teach them all on my YouTube. Notice how it's very similar. The only difference is, so this price leg, there's two differences here. This price leg, ideally, is a larger manipulation. So that engineered low, I want to see it lower. So, for example, like this. If we were to reverse right here, that's my first signature. Right? That's one. Two, the timing, right? I want to see this form inside the macro or 10 a.m. Maximum like 10:30, 10:50 macro. Like ideally it's forming 9:50 to 10:10 or inside that early 10 a.m. in the early 10 a.m. hour. That's the difference. It's a time thing. It's a time thing. Think about it. How can we reverse? Like, how can this be a reversal of 9:30? It's only been 4 minutes into 9:30. How can you reverse? There's no reversal. The reversal has to be after 9:30 is printed, right? So that's the idea. And all the models and stuff on you, they're all on YouTube. So if you have any questions after the fact, it's which platform would you recommend? I would recommend Alpha Futures, brother. I think it's easiest to get a payout with them. A lot clean PA than yesterday. I mean, it's not bad. In my opinion, it's still pretty difficult to find an entry here. If anyone feels like they missed something, don't feel so bad. Honestly, it was not the best. 948 protraction. One reason the PC previous kind of range is up. Cool. Now bullish, I think. Maybe. So reversal can only happen during that. No. That's not what I said. The reversal can happen whenever. It's higher probability if it forms inside the macro or 10 a.m. hour. That's when I want to see my reversal for 9:30. I don't want to see 9:30 reverse during lunch. I want to see it in the first hour. 10 a.m., I want to reverse the 9:30. So for example, here, you would look for reversal if you're bullish. I did look for reversal. It gave you no sign. It just stayed bearish. So I wouldn't look for longs. Yeah, I wouldn't look for longs. That's just me though. Are the models for me, intraday, I look at the models twice. 9:30 or 1:30. So you can if you trade PM session, you can replace New York opening with 1:30 PM, which is PM opening. That's your second 4-hour candle. My live account is down horribly. It's not down, bro. Just hold. Is it cash or margin? TP right under the swing low. Here. I mean, yeah, I'm so down on AMD right now, but it's fine. I'm just gonna keep buying. AMD expected to grow revenue at 22%. Alright, so what is going on there, man? Traded out 15. Yeah, good luck, brother. Do you think it's buys from here? Even if it is buys, I would never click the buy button if I'm being honest. What would you aim for? Like, I don't want to take a buy scalp. Like, equal highs, maybe. But it's just so bearish, bro. It's so bearish. I don't want to take no buy. The hourly fair value gap right there, so. Yo, Chooch, you want to cook something up, bro? All right. Well, I appreciate everyone coming through. Probably going to call it quits. I might trade PM session because I actually didn't get a chance to execute on my alpha futures. I didn't get a chance. I'm going to look to trade that again or something. I don't know. We'll see. They're clean, bro. This shit's clean. Shit's clean. I'm down 50% in like 4 days. Bro, honestly, don't even look. How much do you risk on evals? Traction model also formed today. Very nice. Very nice. All right, I will post the trade review. Sorry, market review. Let me just record something quick. And I'll hit you up, Tooch. What is the ticker for Alpha? What's Alpha? You mean Alpha? Alpha Futures? Alpha Future. It's a prop firm, bro. What? It's not a. I should draw this properly. Does it look familiar now? Everyone always sees it way more clear when I draw it like this. I can't trade MNQ contracts. Why? Trade recap, please. I will post a trade recap. Do you follow me on Do you follow me on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram? I did take one trade. We did catch those shorts. I am on Instagram, yeah. I'm on every platform, GatieTrades. I caught the short like this. I didn't catch it all the way down, but we caught a nice piece. How does Alpha use the same bar for bar website as TopStep? It's not TopStep's platform. It's Project X. It's just an outsourced. It's. I know that's what I thought too, but no, it's actually just it's another company that gives them that platform for their prop firm. Can I use your model's time is not 9:30? No, it's 9:30. It's a 9:30 model. You could look for it for any 4-hour candle, but it's a lot better with 9:30 because you have the volatility. The symbols cannot be traded by the broker. It says, which broker? Are you on Tradeovate? It's because you didn't do the Tradeovate stuff. You have to do your Tradeovate agreement. So sign into Tradeovate, Clodian. It's gonna ask you to, like accept the agreement. Like you click the check the box, and then it'll be all good, brother. Trade recap. Trade recap was my classic model, guys. So this is it. I don't know what more. I was, I was bearish, and classic model formed. So I took the short. Yeah, that's what I thought too, Brandon. I was like, yo, what the hell? They stole TopStep's platform. And I was like, someone told me like, no, it's outsourced Project X. I was like, that makes sense. So yeah, I like that platform. This is trade recap, guys. Why was you bearish? I thought originally I was bullish. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I came into the day, I was looking for previous day high as an objective. What told me that we were likely to go lower? The fact that, well, this is what happened minute by minute. So I'll go over to you what I saw. I was looking for a long here. Then what I saw was the lack in displacement above this high. So I'm telling myself, and there's two things to consider here. If we're gonna go higher, this is the first thing I said on Livestream. If you were listening, you would have known. The first thing I said was, if we're going to go higher, the best thing, that the most ideal scenario is we reverse from London lows or we touch midnight opening. If you were here from the beginning, you heard me say it. I said if the best long, if it's gonna form, it will reverse from London or touch midnight opening because we're in premium already. So I don't want to. I would have if it formed me a nice setup here, but this is not a nice setup. We consolidated and we got this weak ass displacement above this high. We didn't take any sell side. We didn't retrace into any higher time frame imbalance. We're in a premium. So it's unlikely that we're going to expand from here. It could have, but the probability is low, right? It's more probable that we're going to take London lows and or reach below midnight opening, right? Discount before moving higher. So that's what my classic model is for. So I took the short right here. As soon as the CISD and inversion occurred, I took that short. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I took the short and look where I closed position. I wasn't bearish. I took off at London lows and I took off at midnight open because that's what I said. I think it's gonna go to midnight open. I didn't expect it to go all the way down here. So originally my idea was wrong. This idea was correct. I had the correct narrative here. But midnight opening was my objective. My best case scenario objective. That's why I closed the rest of my position out here. So does that make sense? I was bullish, but I thought it was going to go lower first. Makes sense? Too premium. It's not. There's a low probability that we move up from here, and then we displace 500 points. So obviously that just is your red flag. We're no longer bullish. That displacement was way too aggressive. So you're done there. YouTube, look for trade or finish. We're done trading today. How do you put the chart up on your TikTok live like that? You gotta just mess around with the dimensions, brother. You gotta mess around with the dimensions. Um, What time do you trade? It's the same time, but are you live via I'm on computer. Yeah, no. You can't really do it on phone. Did you look preliminary JDP? Yep. Did I look at it? Like, I knew it was there, so I knew that today was likely to be somewhat expansive. I didn't expect it to be that expensive, but I mean, we don't need to predict the low, right? We just need to predict which direction it's going to go. Your best model for gold. What time are you trading, NTS? Are you trading 9:30 open? Just trade NAS 100. On any firm that you can trade gold, you can trade NAS 100. Most of my students trade NAS 100. They don't trade Nasdaq futures because forex firms are a little bit easier and cheaper. Are you using MXM? I'll look at it, but I don't. That's not really my model. If we broke the high, that means both. If we came above here, that's a very significant move. Yeah, probably. You trade London or Asia? Okay, if you trade London or Asia, I would trade euro, bro. Why gold? Trade euro. Trade euro. How about PO3? Yeah, PO3 is my model. 930 PO3 is my model. That's what I trade every day. Do you look at any stocks? Yeah, I trade stocks on my live account. So usually I pair the way I trade stocks. I don't want to give anyone stock advice because that's like legit. That's like real life money and shit. So don't take my advice. But the way I do it, very simple. If I'm bullish on Nasdaq, I have criteria to enter a long-term investment for a stock. It's usually a swing trade, but sometimes it turns into a long-term investment. What's up, Kojo? If I'm bullish on Nasdaq, that's the only time I'll look to buy. I have to be bullish on Nasdaq. That's step one. Step two, the stock needs to be at a discount. It cannot be near its highs. I don't want that. I want to enter as it trends. So two criteria. Third criteria, I need to see good earnings from the company. Last three or four earnings, I'll look. I want to see like projections that are good. That the company's making improvement, right? I don't want to do like some mid-ass company that's like, not doing anything. Four, it has to be a company that's not making stuff, like progressing, right? It can't just be like, I don't know, like something that's stationary, like, they're not really making moves. So I'll do a little bit of research in that sense. And then that's it. That's my only criteria. Anything like that for me is a valid trade. So my best ever trade for stocks was Palantir. I wish I held it. I did not hold it that much. I had like a nice X. I entered Palantir. You won't even believe me. I entered Palantir literally like I think here May 20. It was in 2023 here, and I sold it like here. So like this was pretty much my trade. I'm not gonna lie. I probably sold a little bit earlier. I probably didn't hold it that. I wish I did, but I made like a little bit 2-3x, like 3-4x actually. So. Why? Because we were in discount. They had consistently good earnings that month. I was bullish on NQ at the same time. So it played out, At that same time, it was like that big AI pump and stuff. So look at the month of May here. May, June, July. I was bullish. So during this time, I was holding my stock positions. And right now, I'm not bullish on NQ. So I'm gonna wait. This is, by the way, shitty ass price action, bro. Like, holy, that's a lot of consolidation on the daily. What if 9:30? Why 9:30 if the candle open at 10? I'm about to blow your mind. Ready? Look at my cursor. Follow my cursor. Oops, sorry, let me go 1 minute time frame. Let's go to 5 minute time frame. Ready, ready, ready? You can't see it. I'm in the way. Let me move my camera. See this? Regular trading hours. Do you see the PO3 now? $9:30. That's when your regular trading hours candle starts. So someone in chat asked, why do I use 9:30 power of 3? Why do I not use 10 a.m.? Because we are trading regular trading hours. The regular trading hour candle opens at 9:30. Do you see how clear this power of 3 is? We open, we manipulate a short-term high, and we displace lower. Any long or short, any short right here is a high probability short if you're bearish. We get a nice expansion on a nice expansion day, and you can see how clear the power of 3 is here. I don't use 10 a.m. power of 3 in its own candle like this. The way I use 10 a.m. power of 3 is to help me navigate this power of 3, because this candle opens at 9:30 and it's going to close at 1:30 p.m. Eastern time. So I'll use 10 a.m. to help me navigate this. So let's say 10 a.m. open is somewhere here and we get something like this, then I know we're going to get a high probability continuation if this is your 10 a.m. candle inside the 9:30 power of 3. But as for my model, this is why I trade 9:30 power of 3. Take care, Ziki. Why don't you chart on Project S? Just a little bit cleaner on TradingView. It's just for you guys. It's literally just for you guys. I have the double monitor, so it doesn't affect me. TradingView is a little bit cleaner. You get a little bit more space. You're the best? Nah, I'm just a regular guy, bro. Just a regular guy who did a lot of studying, you know? That's all. But you can chart on Project X for sure. Well, I'm gonna call it quits here for today, guys. If you didn't get a chance to join the giveaway, go ahead and do that. You can join the giveaway in my Discord for free. It's literally 3 very quick steps. We're going to be doing multiple giveaways. Make sure you do the steps, because I am going to check. It is a requirement for me to check. So please just do them. I don't want to roll someone and I go and then they didn't even follow the account or something. So it doesn't affect you. Just do it. And we'll go from there. I appreciate everyone coming through. I will see you guys live tomorrow, the last day of the week. Hopefully we can finish strong. Take care of my family. That was cool, huh? Take care, Damon. Take care, Riley.